me here. Yeah. Chris's turn to be on one of my on-ride clips. Yeah. On his classic machine that used to appear at Nottingham Goose Fair. First time on this. Used to stand up at Nottingham Goose Fair by Noises Gallopers every year.
Oh, it's a nice fresh ride, isn't it?
Yeah.
Breeze. Lovely.
Woo! Woo! Yeah, I do like my Paratroopers.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice relaxing ride.
Yeah, they're great, they are. Especially this, mate. The old school. There is one years ago at Clarence Pier.
Oh, right.
Yeah, yes, yeah.
What, one race type?
Yeah.
Okay.
Had it for years. It was the first one I rode.
Yeah.
That's now touring London, this area, London somewhere.
Yeah.
I don't know where it is in the moment. Yeah. You rode the Trooper XL, didn't you? At, was it with Benson's?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's quite a big one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Apparently, he said he does a backwards cycle.
Yeah.
But he said he only does it in the evening, like when there's not so many little kids.
Right, yeah. Yeah. Well, his granddad originally owned this. Yeah, he had brand new.
Alright.
Dickie Mott. Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause it's not a BWS one, is it?
No. No, he built it himself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, he sold this for a Super Trooper.
Alright.
Yeah. Which is no longer in the country.
Yeah. It's got more carriages on it as well, isn't it, that one?
Yeah.
Oh, it seems bigger.
It totally moves, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah, it does, yeah.
Come on, step this way if you're riding.
Graham's giving it some on the mic. Woo!
Oh, lovely getting that breeze in it.
Lovely. Classic. Woo! Oh, back to base.
Thank you for riding with us today. If you would like
there you go, classic Paratrooper for you. Love it.
Please pay in the car.
Top one, nice one, get sorted.